It's been 10 years that every year in September or October, GoPro releases a new flagship action camera, meaning that chances are that we will be soon hearing about the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back on this Tech Talk Thursday. Are you excited? Well, I am, because if everything goes according to GoPro's routine, we should be seeing a new GoPro soon. I totally agree with you. 2020 isn't a normal year, but hopefully that didn't change GoPro's schedule on releasing a new flagship camera. If you're here for the first time, bienvenue. My name is Céline, I'm a Belgian TV journalist, and learning about those high-tech devices is one of my passions. Now that we know each other, let's get going! Beginning of July, a leaked photo of what appears to be the front plate of the GoPro Hero 9 shows two large holes. If we guess it right, the one on the top right-hand corner of the camera will obviously be for the camera itself. What about the other one? On the GoPro Hero 8 Black, there is an LCD screen that allows you to quickly check what mode you're shooting in, how much battery you have left, and other essential info. Could it be a front-facing color LCD screen for selfie, videos, and photos? Why not? There is clearly a market for this kind of options. Other companies like DJI and Akaso already offer action cameras with front-mounted LCD selfie panels. But if we think about it, adding a selfie screen might increase the cost of production, hence make the GoPro Hero 9 more expensive. What about the back of the GoPro camera? Now, we don't have any leaked photos, but compared to the competition, GoPro will have to make a bigger screen on the back, a larger edge-to-edge screen. There is a clear improvement to be made to the GoPro Hero 8 and 7 Black's rear screen. They have thick bezels. The latest GoPro has a 2-inch pixel display compared to the DJI that has a 2.25-inch display. Now, it's your turn to talk. What would you love to see on the GoPro Hero 9 Black? More processor power? 120 frames per second? In 4K? Pourquoi pas? Let's have a chat in the comment section down en dessous. If you haven't done it yet, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can discover together soon the GoPro or many other tech objects. See you next week. Salut!